Hi, this is Shengyi Koh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's very late right now and I still have to achieve my weekly goal, which is I need to post this video. So I just done my 2 days course today, right now. So this week video will be about me and Tzia talking about our social media workshop that I'm going to edit some of the part from this social media workshop and put it into this video. So hope you guys enjoy the content and share to your friends, because this will be helpful for your 2021, because social media is one of the strategies that can work in 2021. So do that and share to a friend and comment below what are the other contents that we can share to you. So hope you guys enjoy the video and we will see you guys again very soon. Enjoy the content. See you. Bye bye. So recruitment is my daily job. So before 2020, let me think of how I share you. 5 years ago, I'm using the normal traditional way to do recruitment, which is 100% of my recruitment numbers every year are through people that I meet every day.
Your friends,
my friends. We call it natural market. Yeah. My auntie's son, my friend's cousin, my cousin friends. All these people that I believe that if you are a leader in an insurance line or multi-level marketing, you truly understand that what I'm trying to say. If your job is doing recruitment, all of them are using this method, which is by recommendation, we meet people. We really need to see that person and talk to them before we can go into the recruitment topic. On the first day, if you want to talk to them about recruitment, they will just freak out and don't talk to me about insurance.
I think it's quite awkward also before social media actually come into place. I think because also with social media, like the recruitment seems to be a lot smoother and a lot more easy going, I would say, because you are posting up there, and because people already know your intention, what are you doing and how well are you performing. You don't have to go to the person and tell them, hey, you know what, I've been doing this, you
have to sell yourself so much.
Yeah. And it doesn't sound good when it comes from the south, that you have to tell people that, you know, I'm the champion, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Then people will feel like, oh my god, what are you trying to tell me? Are you trying to tell me that you're damn good, that kind of thing? But when it comes to social media, right, it became more subtle.
I want to talk about legit chat. Social media is one thing that you can do legit chat.
For your shoes, you mean?
No. Not for my shoes, but for the things that you are doing.
Okay.
For the things that you are doing, actually, if you want to see how good someone is doing, you just have to go into their profile. I truly believe that this is what I always share to my team as well. Okay, social media is the thing that is your name card. Now, physical name card no longer works. So all we need to do is just to build a social media profile. To share what we get and to share what we want to share, so that people can truly understand what we want. Okay, the thing that we all talk about right now, both of us, is because we want all of you here. Some of you here are my competitors, our competitors as well. If you are from other teams, other companies, so why we are doing this? Because we truly understand that everyone needs to survive in 2020 this year. So. Of course, now if you build this profile, probably you will think like it cannot help you a lot on social media like today. But what if after a few years or few months? Hope you guys enjoy the content that we created for you. I hope this can help you to win your 2021, because you know that everyone is using social media right now. So don't just be a consumer on social media, put your content up there, be a content creator. Fully utilize it to help you to win in 2021 in your life or in your business.
Hope you guys enjoy the content. If you love more video about this, comment below, share to a friend. And if you truly think that we should do this more information about all this, more sharings, subscribe the channel and you enjoy a weekly update from me and my team. See you guys again. Bye.